for Year 12 Further Maths. We're going to look at question 8 from the Chapter 10 review, extend response. So, Robin invests $100,000 to provide scholarship valued at $10,000 to the Beth Mathematics students in the final year at her old school. She invests the money in an annuity, okay, at an interest rate of 8.25% compound interest. She is making the payment to the winning student each year immediately after interest is paid to the account. So how much money is left in account after the first two scholarships are awarded? Okay, so a scholarship's awarded at the end of each year. So it's a 8.25% per annum interest rate. So how much money is left in the account after the first two scholarships are awarded? Okay, so if I go onto Finance Solver, we can work this out. Okay, so let's clear page. All right, so what's happening? She invests $100,000. We know it's 2 years and it's compounding yearly. I know the interest rate's 8.25. I know my principal value is 100,000, and my payments, so it's investment, and my payment is $10,000. My future value I'm trying to work out, and we know that P1 CIR1 because it's 1 year. So how much is left in the account after the first two scholarships awarded? So 96355.63. 96355.63. Okay, so it's like calculating the value of an annuity basically. Determine the amount that's left in Robin's account after 10 years awarding scholarship. Gives you your answer to the nearest cent. So let's go here. So it's not 2 years anymore, it's 10 years. So I'm going to put 10, and I'm trying to find the final value. Okay, 74345.55. 74345.55. 0.55. Okay. What would the maximum value of each scholarship if they were to be awarded forever? Okay, so this is saying awarded forever means perpetuity. Okay, so it means that principal always stays the same, but we want we want to award the same amount every year. Okay, it's not $10,000. So perpetuity, you look at your formula sheet, D equals R on 100 times V0. We want to work out our D value. My R is 8.25. It's per year, so I don't need to divide by anything. Divided by 100 times by 100,000. So let's see how much can be awarded to the recipient each year. So let's go. 8.25 divided by 100 times 100,000. So 8250. So the maximum they can award is 8,250. Okay. If it goes beyond that, then you're eating more than interest. Okay. So this is the interest per year essentially. So they can award 8,250 without eroding the account or decaying the account. How much does Robin need to invest to be able to pay $10,000 scholarship in the perpetuity? Gives you an answer to $1. So again, you're using the same equation. D equals R on 100 times V0. I want $10,000 to me by award or my payments. My interest rate I'm trying to work out. My V0 is, it says how much would need to be invested. Sorry, it's 8.25 here, and we're trying to find V0. Okay, so you go interactive and solve. So we're going to go interactive and solve. So 10,000 equals 8.25 divided by 100 multiplied by x. I'm going to go interactive and solve. And it says round to the nearest dollar. So 121212. Okay, so 121212. If she invests 100,000, 12,000 and $1,212, then she can afford, or Robin's fund can afford to dish out a scholarship of $10,000 per year. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to approach these problems. So, and these aren't too bad because as long as you understand what's going on, so A and B are different questions to C and D. So C and D are talking about perpetuities, A and B are talking about an annuity. Okay, annuity, annuity payments. So hopefully that helps.